Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. Thank you for being here. It is absolutely gorgeous outside right now. No clouds, perfect blue sky. So I think that I'm going to go to the farmer's market because I've been meaning to do that for weeks now, to just look around. And I also want to go shopping today because why not? And I definitely want to play The Sims today because I love The Sims. It's my favorite game. Yeah, it's gonna be a very fun day and I'm really excited because it's a really pretty day outside. So let's go to the farmer's market. I did some damage. I just wanted to do a quick haul of everything that I got. It's not a lot, but I got some goodies. At the farmer's market, I got some jam. There's a lady there that makes her own stuff and it's really good. So I picked up some strawberry jelly. There's a girl that makes her own lotions and candles and everything. This is in the scent chai cider. That sounds so good. And then from Marshall's, I picked up this cute little tea strainer for when I make some tea. Look how cute, y'all. It's a little cat, and then where the tea goes is a fish, and it's so cute. Got this Tony Moly mango hand cream. And then lastly from Marshall's, I picked up some ginger candy. This isn't for everyone, but my mom put me onto these and they are so good. I love them. They're like perfect if I just need a little snack. So and then I stopped at Bath and Body Works and I got the ice lemon pound cake candle. Old Navy always has good sales too, and I needed some basics in my closet, so I just picked up this white ribbed tank top. I had them on sale for like $5 and they're like good quality. And then I picked up something a little out of my comfort zone. It's a cami top and then it's super long. Just an active bodysuit. I really like it though, and I feel like this will be nice for when I'm at the gym. That's everything from my haul. I love shopping. I'm sorry, I do. Hey you guys, so it's the next day and I had so much fun yesterday. Seeing my best friend was like such a sweet surprise. Today I wanted to focus more on pampering and self-care. I was thinking I was gonna take a bubble bath and do a face mask. In my last video I picked up this lemon pound cake bath bombs. Excited to use that, and then also the candle that I showed earlier, the ice lemon pound cake. you guys, so I'm popping on here from The Sims. I just wanted to show you some of my favorite CC that I've downloaded lately, and also a lot that I downloaded from the gallery that I am obsessed with. I think it is so cute, so I'll show you guys that in just a little bit. But right here, I figured I would introduce you to my Sims. So on the right, we have Gabrielle. She is probably my favorite Sim that I have ever created. I love her so much. And on the left, we have Joaquin, which they just got married, so congrats to them. And they also adopted a cat named Binks. So let's jump into Create a Sim so I can show you some of my favorite CC that I've downloaded lately. I have been CC shopping, y'all. So mainly the creator that I have been loving so much lately is Sharon Lee. And as you can see, I went to town, but I wanted to show you just a couple of the things that they have. I love everything so much. They always have different color combinations in each top. Like, look at all these swatches. I just love it so much. I will be sure to link them in the description box. I think that this is my favorite top. I love this top. Look at it. It's perfect. And then also I love this one as well with the bow sleeves. Come on. Look at that. And then I also recently downloaded this one. I love all the swatches, y'all. I could go on and on about it. Look at that. So cute. Just a regular basic tube top. I love it. And then the last CC creator I wanted to talk about is Ellie Simple. I also download all her stuff. I love it so much. Yeah, so I'm just showing you guys swatches. And then she made jeans that looked like Levi jeans. Look how cute. I love them so much. And then guys, there's also this shirt by her. Look at this KK slider shirt. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? And so Ellie Simple is another great CC creator, you guys. I will be sure to link both of them in the description box. And let's go look at that lot that I was talking about. Okay, you guys, so this is the lot that I was talking about. This is called Glow Yoga, and it is essentially a yoga studio that also has machines to work out. I love this, so let's go inside. When you go in, there is a desk to check in. There's also a little seating area to the left. And once you go through this door on the left, it is actually a bathroom that has showers, toilets, and then if you continue to come through, there is a changing room that has robes, and on the right side is the workout machines with mirrors. Look how pretty that is, guys. I am just obsessed with the details of this build. It's beautiful. So this is where you work out. And then I also meant to mention that outside of the front desk, there is a meditation area. And then if you come around the corner, this is the yoga area. You guys, look at this. It's so cute. I am obsessed with it. And so if you guys are interested, I'll link this lot in the description box because, I mean, look at it. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna bring Gabrielle in to do some yoga with her friends, and we'll end this video. You guys, so I actually just recently bought Spa Day, and I actually really like it a lot. I'm someone that loves spa things and self-care, so I love this pack so much. She's so cute. Oh no! I love this game so much, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I think I'm gonna end this video here. If you like stuff like this with me adding more Sims stuff into my video, just let me know because I really do love this game so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really missed making videos even though it's only been about a week. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye!